Wrike Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. Welcome to the Wrike Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll break down the features of Wrike, its affiliate program, and everything you need to know before getting started. Be sure to check out the links in the description to learn more and get signed up. Wrike is a comprehensive project management and collaboration tool used by teams of all sizes to plan, track, and execute their projects efficiently. It's a platform that allows teams to organize tasks, set deadlines, assign responsibilities, and maintain clear communication all in one place. With its features like task management, Gantt charts, time tracking, real-time collaboration, and customizable workflows, Wrike is perfect for remote teams, marketing teams, agencies, and anyone looking to optimize their project management processes. Let's talk about the Wrike Affiliate Program. This program offers you an opportunity to earn commission for referring new customers to Wrike. You can earn up to $200 per sale, depending on the plan your referral chooses. Wrike's flexible pricing model allows you to promote the software to a wide range of businesses, whether they are just starting out or looking for enterprise-grade solutions. Wrike offers a free plan for small teams, as well as several paid plans that unlock advanced features for larger teams and more complex workflows. One of the standout features of the Wrike Affiliate Program is its generous recurring commission structure. You're not just earning a one-time payout, you can earn recurring commissions as long as your referral remains a paying customer. This means that your affiliate revenue can grow steadily over time. Plus, Wrike provides affiliates with marketing materials such as banners, landing pages, and emails, which make promoting the service easier. The program is also very affiliate-friendly, offering an easy-to-use dashboard where you can track your performance, monitor clicks, and optimize your promotional efforts. And if you ever need support, Wrike's affiliate team is responsive and ready to assist. In conclusion, the Wrike Affiliate Program is a great choice if you're in the business productivity, project management, or SaaS niche. With its high commissions, recurring payments, and the ability to promote a powerful platform that benefits a variety of teams, it's a fantastic opportunity. If you want to get started, check out the links in the description below to sign up and start earning commissions today. Thanks for watching.